Good morning, world. Today we're taking a moment to talk about getting back into dating after infidelity. 5 things you can do when you're getting ready to get back into the game. First thing is take time to heal, because regardless of what you may think or what you may see on the surface, infidelity hurts. It may not hurt you in the same obvious ways that you may have seen other people hurt or that you expect it to hurt, but infidelity has a way of making sure that it hurts wherever it comes in. Maybe it didn't hurt you in the way you expected, but maybe it hurt your pride, maybe it hurt your confidence. Figure out how you have been hurt from the situation and take time. Make sure that you are healed. Make sure that you heal from that situation as you get ready to get into your next relationship, because if you don't, usually what happens is that you bring that baggage into the next relationship that you get into. 2, stop looking for your cheating ex in everyone. Yes, that one person did something hurtful, but that does not mean that every single person that you're going to meet is going to be that same person, is going to do the same thing. So stop looking for everyone else to repeat the behaviors, to repeat the actions of that person. Stop judging everyone else by the actions of that one person, because a lot of times after being cheated on, people sort of become those little junior detectives trying to figure out how this new person is going to turn out to be like the cheating ex. But the reality is, there are people who cheat, but there are also these other wonderful people who are not going to do the same thing that person did that hurt you. 3, focus on having fun and getting to know people. When you get back into getting back into dating, getting back into relationships, take your time and focus on having fun, because that relieves you from the pressure of trying to make sure that this person is not exactly like the cheating ex, or that it relieves you of your detective duties, because all you're doing right now is just taking time, having fun, and getting to know a person. And usually by the time the relationship gets to the point of where it would be relationship-like, you know the person well enough that you can judge them by their own character, by who they are, as opposed to who your ex or the person who cheated on you was. 4, learn to ask questions and be open to sharing. Again, as junior detectives, people sometimes sneak around, try to guess, try to figure out, try to understand. Instead of going back behind the person's back and trying to guess what someone else may be thinking, what someone else may mean, what someone else may be doing, take your time and ask a question. Asking questions is a great way of getting answers. It's a great way of getting information, the information that you're looking for. By asking questions, you can just ask a question and get the answer to the question. Get that knowledge, get that information you're looking for. Ask questions, and of course, be open to sharing as well. Let your partner in, let the person get to know you, let them get to know who you are, let them get to know where you're coming from, because this helps them understand you, and it also helps them be in a better position to give you what you're asking for. By sharing, by being open with the person, it can put them in a better situation to be able to give you what support you may need, whatever, what comfort, what reassurance, whatever it is that you need from that person. By sharing, by being open with them, you put them in a better position to be able to give that to you. 4, make time to be observant and trust your instincts. It's often said that people who have been cheated on knew they were being cheated on, and that people who were being cheated with also knew that they were being cheated with. The thing is, though, that knowledge is not always right there in your face. Sometimes it's really just an inkling. It's signs, the clues, and things that happen, but we're usually so busy, so caught up in our other aspects of our lives that a lot of times those signs, those warning signs, those clues, those red flags even sometimes get missed. So take time and be attentive to what is going on in your relationship, what is going on with you and your partner, what is going on between you two, and what is going on between each of you individually. And making sure that as you're taking time to notice things, that you're trusting your instinct, that you're trusting that gut feeling, because your gut is pretty good at telling you, hey, something is up, or maybe, hey, this is a good thing, this is a good guy, this is a bad guy, this is a good woman, this is a bad woman. your gut, your instincts will let you know these things. But of course, in order for your instincts to be able to give you good information, you have to be taking time to feed your gut good knowledge, good information, good data from which to be able to come to these conclusions. Quick recap. 1, take time to heal and figure out how you've been hurt and heal from that hurt. 2, stop looking for your cheating ex and everybody else, because not everybody else is like that. 3, focus on having fun and getting to know people, because that relieves you of the pressure of being junior detective, and it also allows you the opportunity to get to know a person, and so that you are able to judge them by who they are instead of who the person who hurt you was. 4, learn to ask questions and be open to sharing information, because by asking questions, you get to have information fed to you. You get to know the things you're asking for, and by sharing and being open with your partner, they get to know you, and they are better able to be who you need them to be. And finally, make time to be observant, know what's going on with your relationship, and trust your instinct, because your instincts will tell you if or when something is wrong, or if or when something is good. And if you are dealing with something that is more than you can handle, there is a lot of help out there. Please do not hesitate to reach out. And yep, that is all we have for today. Good morning, world. Have an awesome day.